everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Paxful with a gift card. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice, type in www.paxful.com and get logged into your account. From the main homepage of Paxful, make sure that you are clicked into the buy category. Now, go ahead and select Bitcoin from the drop-down, right where it says buy. The value of 1 Bitcoin will be displayed over here. Now, right where it says pay via, click on this little hamburger menu and from the options displayed, select gift cards. If you have a gift card and you'd like to buy a Bitcoin using that gift card for Paxful, go ahead and select one of the gift cards that is available to you. For example, let me click on Amazon gift card option. So after you select your payment method, click on the amount that you'd like to spend. From the offer location tab, select your preferred location. Finally, click on Find Offers. You'll be able to find the list of the offers for the payment method that you selected while buying Bitcoin on the next page. Simply click on the buy button once you find the best deal that you want to go with. Soon after you click on buy, enter the amount and the amount of Bitcoin that you want to receive on the next page. And finally click on buy now. That is how you can easily buy Bitcoin with the help of a gift card on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.